Hey guys, welcome to Ashton's workshop. Today we're going to be drawing an orca. Hope you follow along with me. Need some paper and something to color with. Or you have an Apple Pencil, you can use that as well on your iPad. Any kind. So let's do this. The first step, we're going to draw his body and his head. But let's do the head first. Now let's do the body. Now let's draw his fin. And let's draw his back. Now let's do his fins. Now let's do his tail. And I'm going to move it so it's easier for me to make the tail. Let's make the white splotches on his face. Now let's draw the other fin. Okay guys, so we have our orca. Now let's color it in time lapse. Okay guys, so here's our orca. I hope this is a lot of fun to color, and I hope you enjoyed it. So, thank you so much for watching. We're going to see you on the next part of our winter special. Hey guys, welcome to Ashton's workshop. Today, we're going to be drawing a leopard seal. Hope you follow along with me. Need some paper and something to color with. Or if you have an Apple Pencil with an iPad, you can use that as well. The first step, we're going to draw its head along the mouth. And now, we're going to erase this part here, because we're going to make the mouth next. And we're going to make the nose now.
You can make your head the way you like it. For me, I'm gonna make it look more realistic and do like this. Now let's do the teeth. Now let's do the neck. Now let's do the eyes. Okay guys, so here's our leopard seal, and now we're going to color it in time lapse. Okay guys, so here's our leopard seal. I hope this is a lot of fun to color, and I hope you really enjoyed it. So we're going to see you in the next chapter.
Hey guys, welcome to Ashton's workshop. Today we're going to be drawing a polar bear, and this is going to be more simple. Hope you follow along with me. Need some paper and something to color with. And if you have an Apple Pencil, you can use an iPad as well. And this one we're going to do just with a pencil, because they're mostly white. So let's do this. The first step, we're going to draw its head. Now we're going to do the nose. Now we're going to do the snout. We're going to color in the nose black. Now, I was going to make the neck.
ears. Now let's do the back. Now we're doing the eye. And the nostrils now, and the nose. Now let's make the fluffiness of the details. Okay guys, so what do you think of our polar bear? I hope this is a lot of fun to color, and I hope you really enjoyed it. Now we're going to see you in the next chapter of my winter special. Hey guys, welcome to Ash's workshop. Today we're going to be drawing an emperor penguin chick on an egg. Hope you follow along with me. I need some paper and something to color with. If you have an Apple pencil, you can use that as well. The first step, we're going to draw the egg shell. We're going to make the crack edges. Now let's make the full chick. We're going to draw its head first, along with the beak. And let's do the chest. We're going to make the cracked edges in here as well. Like around here. Let's continue the finger. And then it drops back. Now let's make the little wings. Now let's make the eye. Now let's do like the black face of him. Now let's color in his blackness right here. And the shades here as well. I'm gonna color in some gray on the chick. Now we make the ground where it's landing or like standing. You just say. Okay guys, so here's our emperor penguin chick. I hope this is a lot of fun with colors and the green.